Hey everyone, I'm back in California and I got some really good news from Nate right now, and Daddy made it through surgery. The doctor said that it was as good as it could be under the extreme circumstances, and I'm just... There's so many feelings going through my head. Um, my animals are my life. My dogs are my world. They're such a huge part of my family. And with just losing Diamond this summer, I'm just devastated. I'm so heartbroken, and I don't even know how to or what to feel right now except a lot of pain, and I just can't wait to see Daddy in a few hours. He's doing okay. I just can't even believe that any of this is happening. I'm so sorry, by the way, to everyone in Arizona. Obviously, we had to cancel the makeup class. I'm just at a loss for words right now, and we'll make it up to you. I know you guys don't care about that right now. I just always feel so bad in these situations, and I'm just so lost. I'm like, Nate's doing really bad. Okay, you guys, like, our dogs are our entire life. So he just got home. They want Daddy to wake up from the anesthesia and just have a few hours to chill before we see him. And I'm just sitting here like, all I want to do is be with him. And I'm gonna turn my phone off, you guys. I just want to update you. I know I was really hysterical earlier, and I'm just praying that he can recover and stay strong. And I know he can.